Erica Rusi Peterson with SpeakMethod.com, and this is English Pronunciation News. We will hear current news and then study American English pronunciation. First, the news. If you follow an acid alkaline diet, you choose your foods based on the acid forming or alkaline forming nature, with a ratio of usually 20% acidic foods and 80% alkaline foods. Acidic foods include meat, bread, dairy products, coffee, and alcohol. Alkaline foods include most vegetables and many fruits. Citrus fruits, which would appear to be acidic, are actually alkaline forming when they enter the body. Proponents say the diet eases conditions caused by high acid intake, such as sinus problems, anxiety, depression, fatigue, and even cancer. Physicians who criticize this diet believe that the body constantly works to create the acid-alkaline balance, no matter what you eat. Increasing or decreasing respiration is one way the body balances itself. Another method is by eliminating excess, either acid or alkaline, through the kidneys in urine. Okay, that completes the news. Now let's study pronunciation. This time, the A sounds. The A sounds are difficult in American English because there are about 5 different sounds for this one letter. Let's look at some words from the report. In these words, we're practicing the short A as in cat, the A sound. Acid, alkaline, matter, alcohol, actually. Notice that in alkaline, this A is actually an sound. This one is the A, as in cat. And by the way, alkaline means something that decreases acid, or acid decreasing. Okay, now this one, when A is next to N or M, we have a slightly different sound. We say air, cancer. In anxiety, something kind of interesting happens. We actually end up saying an A-N-G, like ang, as in I sang yesterday, or hang it up. And this is because X has 2 sounds. It can be KS, as in box, or it can be a GZ, as in example. And here it's that GZ sound. And because there's the G, we get an NG. So we're actually saying ang here. Anxiety. Anxiety. These words have the long A sound, the sound which is A. Ratio, dairy, nature. Notice this TU simply becomes CH, nature. Now we have A's that become an sound, the schwa in phonetics, the simple as in up. Acidic, another. Fatigue, vegetables. Notice that this often happens to the A when the A is not on the stressed syllable. Notice the A is not stressed in any of these words. Also in the word vegetables, we can hear a dropped syllable. We really say vegetables, vegetables. And here's just an exception. In this common word, we're actually saying a short E, as in the plural form of man, men. So we're saying many. You could spell it with an E and that would be true to the sound. Many. Okay, that completes English pronunciation news for today. Learn all of the pronunciation rules at www.speakmethod.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.